special episode today in Soch in Motion with Juza Tambawala, Director Sales Enablement, joining us right here in Nagpur. Thank you, Juza. I think you and I have been working together on Change the Soch campaign for a while now. It started somewhere last year and we've just taken it to the next level now. You've been the strongest ally in this whole journey. What are your views on Change the Soch campaign?
I think the outcome is significantly higher. I'd probably say it maybe 10x higher than what at least I had imagined it to be.
Right.
From being just a simple city-to-city IAP conversation to really understanding investors, understanding their trials and tribulations, the challenges. And that's what investor education is all about, right? It's not just about going and giving your message, but also understanding what their problems are and building solutions.
How does Franklin Templeton see itself not just doing this, one-off as a seasonal event? For sure, I want to call out that we be very conscious not to do this around March 8th. None of our campaigns that we want to have a message being given loud and clear come out on March 8th. So of course, this is for us year on year, decade on decade, era on era. So how does Franklin Templeton see itself, when you think women investors, women distributors, think Franklin Templeton? How does that pan out for you?
I think it would be really, we'd miss an opportunity if we just did Kanyakumari to Kashmir, because I think India is a massive country, 1.5 billion people. Financial freedom or learning how to manage money or invest is an important life skill. I would rate it as perhaps the most important life skill, and on par with learning how to ride a bicycle or learning how to swim, learning how to cook.
Life skill.
Yeah, this is a very, very important life skill. And I think if we don't educate people on this life skill, I think we would have not done justice to the roles that we perform in this industry.
Sure. So thank you, Juza, for your time. And this was a special episode. We love visitors, from the Franklin Templeton world. We will feel closer to home. Thank you for joining us and stay tuned for what's lined up for Nagpur.
All the best, yes.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.